Our leadership and encouragement will continue to inspire us all. Ladies and gentlemen, to set the tone for the day, it is actions. Without further ado, let us warmly welcome Reverend Lugumba to share his opening speech with us. Father Pilu, please.
Thank you, terima kasih Cikgu. Cikgu MC kita gitu. Jadi Putriku bisa pada road bisa itu. Terima kasih pada road nggak bini. Pada lambung hari lambir, jauh balas dari lambir. Tapi maka sedikit jam belum bisa dari sen betaya. Kita mengambil lagi dengan kawan kita yang begitu. Today we are very special. We have somebody from the senior citizen health benefit. Jadi harap kita yang visit the group also, and also my friends. Support is really increasing to the church, and harap kita enjoy yourself. Have a fun. And also thank you for Palaki donation for the Lucky Draw. Thank you Gina for doing this initiative ngayon. Sama tayo sa Kalmani. Maju merah. Thank you. Thank you very much.